Yes, team. So I'm going to quickly go over how to use Trainerize again because this is a much better version because when I made the first video, I didn't know how to use it. Let's get into it. Let's not waste any time. So this is me as a client. So I'm one of you guys. I'm a team member. I am a team member anyway. But obviously, you got your dashboard. It will be telling you what to do today. Obviously, for me, today is Sunday. I had nothing due. But if I take a look at tomorrow, it says full body strength. That's my workout. So let's look at workouts. So if we look at one of my workouts here, let's just look at full body strength. All I'm going to do, I'm going to press start now. Obviously, starts my workout. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to, obviously, I've got a warm up in there. All right, let's go to the actual workout. So you'll see here, I'll put how many reps you're doing, how many sets you're doing, and I might put, depending on what level you're at, it might be based on your 1 rep max or your 3 rep max if we've worked that out in the past. If we haven't done that before, then I would put some suggested weight there. I might put 10 kg. If I don't put weight, that means I'm telling you need to figure it out. And when I say figure it out, that means if it says 8 to 10 reps, then that means those last 10 reps, that the last 2 reps of that 10 need to be burning. If it's too light, then it's not burning. If it's not burning and it's too light, if it's burning and if you can't even hit that rep, then it's too heavy. So you need to work it out. When you're filling it out, you just put whatever it is, 100 kg, and I did 4 reps. Boom, rest, boom, boom, boom. And then substitute. I press that button and I substitute it if I can't do that exercise. So band resisted trap bar. Let's say I don't have a trap bar in my gym, but I got a barbell. I'll do deadlift. I'll just do a normal deadlift instead. So substitute, type in deadlift. Whoops, not deadlift, deadlift. Barbell deadlift, done. There you go. Simple, press substitute and it's there. However, one more thing to look for. When you press the exercise, I got alternatives there. This one has got an easy alternative, DB deadlift, hard alternative, banded barbell deadlift. So if there's something that's not in the gym, the alternatives are there, okay? So that pretty much covers how to use the app, literally in and out, super easy, super useful. At the end of the workout, you put how hard it is and you leave a comment if there's any exercises you didn't like or something that really bothered you or something you loved, leave a comment. I definitely appreciate when you give me feedback because that's how I make bigger improvements. Another thing that it may say, and I don't think I have it, but on there you will see if you got any cardio, if you've got to do progress pictures and body stats, all you got to do is tap there, take your progress pictures, before and afters, add photos. You can only add to the day or pick a day in the past. All right. So obviously I can't add progress pictures for the 7th because it's not the 7th. But on that particular day is when it needs to be done. Body stats as well. Same thing will apply. You just put in neck, shoulders, height, whatever, body weight, body fat if you have one of those scales. Very easy, very simple. The group chat is in there. Spectrum Fit. I'm going to be utilizing the group chat a lot more. So that is where you'll see any announcements and stuff like that. And then this is how you can view your progress. Steps. As you can see, my steps have been terrible the past few days, but that's because I've been doing a lot of stuff to get this thing up and running. Plus, I don't wear my watch when I'm playing football. But this is how you can put in your steps. If you have a Apple Watch, a Fitbit, it does connect. If you have a Garmin, it doesn't. But I found a workaround this. All you need to do is click the little dots in the corner. Apple Watch, sorry. Apple Health, obviously, easy. Once it's there, it's there. There's actually nothing. You don't have to connect anything. But if you've got a Fitbit or anything like that, Fitbit option is there. You press it, you press connect. Easy as 1, 2, 3. MyFitnessPal, press connect. And you got to make sure your diary's public. Public, very easy. Withings, I don't know what that is, but I think it's one of those scales. Press connect, super easy, and you get a discount. Now, the alternative, Apple Health, right? You need to let your data be shared on Apple Health. If you don't know how to do that, you need to go Health, Apple, and then click your little face in the corner, and I believe it should say apps. There you go. Turn it all on, and it will share it. However, if you are using a third-party app that is not Apple Watch or Fitbit, all you need to do is find that app in here and then allow it to track your steps. So I don't have one because obviously I don't. I've got Apple Watch, but whatever the app could be, if it's Garmin, it would be in here. You'd press the Garmin app and it will come up. So that is kind of a workaround, because as soon as it updates your Apple Health numbers, it should show on the app. Pretty simple, pretty easy to do, not that confusing. And you can connect Facebook too. I'm not quite sure why you want to do that, but that's there. You can set up your profile, blah, blah, blah. Make sure you put a nice little photo of yourself. Obviously, I've got me in there. And now let's continue. So you can see that's your dashboard. You can see your photos in there, how much calories you burnt for the day, your sleep, all that stuff. Now you can look at your achievements. This is really, really useful because obviously we need to make sure we're lifting heavy and we're trying to get a bit heavier each time. So you can see your personal best, your milestones, blah, 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 get a little reward. Now, this is probably the main thing you need to look at, and that's your calendar. I would say every Sunday, just look ahead and see what you've got for the week. That way you know what to do. But another thing is you can move this around. I'm going to tell you right now, I set workouts Monday, Tuesday, day off on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, workout. And then if you're someone who does 5 days a week, then I have a 5th workout for you. If you're on a 4-day-a-week plan, then that's it. Saturday, Sunday, you're relaxing. All you got to do is your check-in. So super easy. If you want to move things around, hold on to it, and you can move it. So easy. So I can move my Monday workout to Wednesday. I can move my Wednesday workout to Thursday, so on and so forth. I'm not even going to bother moving that. I'm going to leave it as it is. If you want to do your progress pictures on a different day, set it to Friday, no problem. So you have the power. You can only see a week in advance because I may make changes to the program. So my advice every Sunday is take a quick look, 10 minutes. You can say, I want to change this, I want to change that. Super easy, super simple. Now, if you want to do a quick workout, you can either press the kettlebell and just press plus. All the workouts are here. Press workout, and I've got a bunch of workouts in there if you want to do something else. So you can always do more. There's no limit. You can do more. If you want to do an activity, let's say you're doing extra running or extra cycling activity, press it, done. Photos, yeah, add that in there. Body stats. You can add photos anytime you want, by the way, not just when I schedule it, by the way. So just know you have the power to do that. And then another thing is on-demand workouts. So if I press show more, you can see everything is here. Everything's here. I even have classes in here. If you don't have classes, let me know and I'll put it in there for you. But there are some classes that I taught that are in there. So everything is there. And then your goals. Obviously, we train with goals. I'm not going to be giving you no training and not have goals, right? So your goals are in there. I don't know why I'm doing this. But it will say whatever your goal is. Mine is mobility 3 times a week, stay fit, complete rehab. Your goals might be drink 500 milliliters of water with every meal and meal prep twice a week or meal prep once a week, or it might be get my 7K steps. I'm not going to be setting your goals based on what you told me maybe we're not good at, because that's kind of what our goals should be based around. And habits as well. So you're going to see your habits and goals. Mine only says goals at the minute. The more you complete, the more compliant you are, the more stars I see, the better you are. So let's look at, all right. So all of that is pretty much there, super easy, man. And yeah, I think that is it. No complaints.